Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm, cause he was an angel. One taught me love, one taught me patience, and one taught me pain. Now I'm so amazing to have loved.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video showing you guys this new Huda Beauty Nude Palette. Oh my gosh. Angels are singing in my head right now. This palette, you guys, I cannot wait to show you guys this look. Oh my gosh, it's so not, like, I can't even hide what I really want to say about it. I'm gonna be talking all about this palette in today's video, showing you guys a couple of swatches, but showing you guys like the look that I came up with. So I'm basically just doing a first impressions video talking about this. It comes with 18 shadows. 7 of them are glitter or metallic, or 2 of them are like hardcore glitter, and then some of them are like this, I don't even know what you call them, but like they're pressed, but they're creamy. They're just so beautiful. Dreamy is, oh, Daydream is so dreamy. This whole palette is so dreamy. But there's one cream shade, and I didn't notice that until the very end. I had no idea. It says 1 pressed pearl and 1 concealer base. Okay. That is so cool. I should have used the concealer base, you guys. I'll use it next time in the next video. I'm so sorry. I didn't even realize that this was in this palette. Just an FYI, I had no idea this concealer shade was even in here because I'm really bad at reading directions and just like reading in general. I just kind of like to do my own thing, and I should have done that. I regret it. Next time I do a look with this palette, I'm gonna use that concealer shade. But yeah, this palette, you guys have to watch this video, see how I create this look. If you guys want to see this video, see this tutorial, how I achieve this look, then just keep watching. I'll go into more details about the palette. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you guys like this video, and if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then just keep watching. I'm gonna start off today by prepping my lips with some of this JOUER Essential Lip Enhancer. This is the stuff that everybody has been talking about for years, I want to say. I really hope that it's life-changing. It does have a slight fragrance. I don't know. I like it. I don't know what it is. So I'm focusing mainly on this new nude palette today by Huda Beauty. It has been all over the internet. I'm so excited to create a look with it. Just kind of play around with it today. But I'm kind of using whatever I can that I got in the Sephora haul as well. So I am going to be using this primer that I'm super excited about. I really should get a discount on my rent since people above me are so flipping loud. Life isn't fair, Emily, I know. Like what? What are you doing? I just want to know what they're doing. I can't get this open. I'm about to throw it against the wall. So it's supposed to be really, ooh, it feels like butter. So let's just apply this to the face. I kind of just want to be like this, like no joke. I think they know when I'm filming and they're trying to like ruin my videos. Yeah, it feels nice and silky, like it says, nice and hydrating. Now I'm going into this nude palette, which I'm super excited about. I was playing around with this last night at my friend Lauren's house. I've talked about Lauren a million times. She is one of my best friends, and she has like the best makeup advice ever. So this is what it looks like. I have not dug into my own, but I swatched hers last night. If you were on my Instagram, you would have seen that. And I've already opened this during the haul. She was like, you didn't swatch any of them. I'm like, I know. I'm waiting for the right moment. The palette. Y'all, it is so pretty. I'm super excited to play around. I'm gonna do like a mauve. She said you have to use the glitters. So of course I'm gonna use the glitters, a bunch of glitters. It's so beautiful. Like, oh my gosh. Packaging is bomb. I love these shades. I love these colors, the graphics, just everything about it. The magnet, it's lightweight. I bet it's travel friendly. The mirror is nice quality. And it has like a little sticker in there to protect the mirror, which I love. I actually usually keep those on until they kind of start to come off. There's 18 shadows total. And there's 6 like glittery shadows. Wait, no, there's 7 glittery shadows. 7 glittery shadows. There's quite a few mattes, but these glitters are so beautiful. Like this one right here, Daydream, is so stunning. Like, look at that. It's so, I mean, it's mesmerizing. I mean, it's literally mesmerizing. 2 of these are like chunky glitters, and like the ones like Daydream are a little bit more smooth with chunks in them. And then Kinky is the only one, it appears to be, that is like, more of like a metallic, but it's not like a glitter. So it's a little bit more smooth. So yeah, we're we're gonna dive in this. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit more. I'm going to prep my lids with my favorite eye primer right now at the moment. This is the Sigma base primer in the shade Persuade. So I really like how it's easy. You can just like, I'm so sloppy with it. Like I just draw it on like that. It has like the same kind of hues and tones in this palette. I literally just draw a little bit on my eye and blend it out with my finger. I like using my finger because it just blends it out better. Oh, y'all, I'm so excited about this palette. Like I want to create 100 different looks with this palette. So pretty. When Lauren and I were looking at it last night, she was like, this is the most beautiful palette I've ever seen in my whole life. And I was like, you know, I agree. It's pretty freaking beautiful. It's like just dreamy. Like it's a dreamy nude palette. I would call this dreamy nude. Dreamy, well, no, I like the new nude. I guess that's cool. Okay, I'm gonna be using the shade Bear, which I love that they always include a nice nude shade like this, just so you can set your eye if you want to. Whoa, that's really pigmented. Normally I don't use like a big fluffy brush like this, but why not? There is quite a bit of fallout in these shades. As you can see, quite a bit of fallout, but you know, that doesn't really bother me a whole lot. I just usually go back to the fallout and just use it like a loose shadow and use it so it's not going to waste. Now the time comes where I have to make some decisions. I mean, there's so many good transition colors in here. I mean, literally, you could go with like the peach play one. You could do secret, teddy. You could use a lace if you want like more of a purple undertone, concealed. I mean, literally, all of these are so good. To do like a transition, I'm gonna stick to like the mauve-ish pink, and I think Tickle's just a little bright for a transition, so I'm gonna use Secret because it's a little bit more muted. I'm gonna mix Secret and Lace sort of for a transition because I wanna do like a purpley mauve sort of a look. So I'm gonna use those with a JH31 or a JH35. They both look so similar. And I'm just buffing that in the crease very lightly. I mean, because it is very pigmented, even though you have quite a bit of fallout. Y'all, I'm gonna use this palette until I die, literally. It is so pretty. This gives me such Ariana Grande vibes because she just performed on Ellen, I think like yesterday, and she had this beautiful like mauve sort of, I'm pretty sure it was like a mauve sparkly lid, and I was like, I wonder if they used this new palette on her because it's so freaking pretty. It reminded me of this palette. This is so Ari, oh my gosh. I love the shade Tickle, you guys. Just like Tickle right here in the crease, call it a day. Like, I love that so much. I love a nice pink mauve-y shade. But today we're gonna be a little more extra, and I'm gonna take the shade Spanked right here, upper right-hand corner, and pack this shade on a pencil brush. Super pigmented, oh my gosh. And I'm just gonna pack this on my outer lid and blend. Create like a V. I want it pretty smoked out. I'm gonna try to make it really smoky. Pretty. This one's not like as pigmented as the others. Well, maybe it is. I'm just using a smaller brush. I don't know. I'm just kind of bringing it out a little bit because I kind of want to wing it out. I'm still not really into like doing black eyeliner or anything like that. Especially not with this sort of a look. I want it to be kind of soft but smoky at the same time. I'm bringing it out as much as I can just to make my eyes look bigger. I find that if I really smoke out a lot, it takes time to blend it and to make it look good, but it makes my eyes look a lot bigger. So I want to deepen it just a little bit more, so I'm going to take the darkest shade in the palette called Love Bite right up here, and I'm just going to take the smallest amount on the tip of my pencil brush right here, tap off, and I'm going to just pack it in the deepest part of my like outer V right here. So I'm just going to pack it and just put it on that outer part, and I'm not going to add very much at all because I want it just to like kind of create that shadow effect like you see right there. Oh yeah, it's pretty. Okay, so that is how I want it right there. It looks a little, you know, a little crazy, a little wild right now, but that's okay. We're gonna smoke it out. I'm trying to use as many shades in this palette as possible because, guys, this palette is so pretty. Like, it's just so pretty. I wanna add a little bit of Tickle because I don't really wanna complete this look without using Tickle. It's just so pretty. So I'm gonna take a little bit of that on a clean brush. No, actually, I'm gonna wipe off this blending brush right here and just take a tiny bit, just a tiny little bit of Tickle, tap it off, and I'm gonna just add a little bit to like this area right here and just kind of connect those. Oh, it's so pretty. And then on the other side, you can just kind of see it's kind of just like molding everything together here. I'm done right now with mattes, and I'm going to start with these shimmers. Oh my gosh, I just love everything, honestly. These shimmers are so pretty. Yesterday, I thought that this was a swatch that I had on my hand when I was doing some Instagram stories, and I realized later it was just my self-tan. Okay, so I'm about to swatch a couple of these shades, and my swatches aren't that good. Let's really try to do a good swatch. Let's try. Oh yeah, not the best work. Not a very good swatch at all, actually. So you could do so many different looks. Like, it looks like you could kind of like, when you just look at it all in all, you're like, I feel like it's just, you know, I could do like pink or purple. But really, you can do like more of a brown, you could do like just a nude. You can do so many different things with this palette. Like, if you really think about it, there's peachy colors in here. There's like some more neutral browns, some cooler browns. It's kind of like a cooler palette. And I think that's really cool that Huda Beauty did that. Like, so many of us are just drawn to like warm shades, and like it's really hard for us to like wear cool color. Like, for me, I think a majority of people like don't like wearing cool colors, or at least I don't, for the most part. But they introduced some cooler shades in here that are just stunning. So that's really cool. So I'm gonna be using Daydream, which like, I'm just obsessed. I have a huge crush on Daydream, and like, I just have been staring at it like the whole time. So I'm going to apply that to this part of my eye using my finger, because I feel like it's just gonna work best with my finger. Oh my gosh, you guys, OMG. I'm going to use a brush and add some more because I really want it like pop in. Add some more. Oh man. I just cleaned that up a little bit by just using a Q-tip, and that's pretty much all I'm doing to just the upper lid. I will, you know, do some on the lower lash line, but I thought I'd show you guys a foundation that I've been absolutely loving. Sorry, I'm still like obsessed. So these are just samples. I didn't buy them, but next time so I'm gonna try to shop the sale again, even though I'm not VIB, but if it's 20% off, I'm probably gonna take advantage. But this is the Lancome Tint Ultra Wear. I don't even know, like, I got a sample. I've been mixing the shades 320 Bisque and 220 Buff. That one's like a cooler color, but like, this foundation is so pretty, and I'm gonna buy this next time I get to take advantage of the sale, which I'm pretty sure I might be able to snag a code. This weekend, I just thought I'd show you guys this. It is so pretty. I've been wearing it like a few days now, and I'm obsessed. It gives me like a dewy full coverage look. Kind of reminds me of Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. Let me know if you guys have tried it. Oh, I just love the finish and the coverage. It's just so pretty. I just sprayed a little bit of TATCHA Dewy Skin Mist on my face. So I'm going to be using this FARSÁLI Jelly Beam highlighter in the shade Glazed. I don't really know the correct way to use this, but I think I'm gonna use my finger. I probably should use like a sponge though, huh? Well, okay, so I'm gonna mix it a little bit because it's very watery. This is the type of thing that I'm pretty sure a little bit goes a long way. So I'm just gonna dab a little bit on the tops of my cheekbones. Yeah, a little bit goes a long way. And a little bit on my nose, chin, other side. And that was plenty for now. So I'm just gonna blend it in with my sponge. It's super dewy, super glowy. I love it. I really do. I didn't really blend it out all that great. A little bit goes a long way. I feel like an alien goddess. Okay, so next I'm gonna do my lip because I hate foundation lips. So I thought the perfect lip combination for this look, I wanted to do something sort of pink nude. And this is the Sephora Lip Crayon in the shade Nude Beige. This is what it looks like. It is perfect. My friend Dee showed me this lip pencil and it is just so pretty. Look, it even like matches everything. So she told me about this because it's like a blue toned nude and I just thought it would go perfect. I mean, it kind of matches my foundation lips. I'm gonna actually sharpen it a little bit. And I'm gonna finish off using Oyster Girl gloss because this is just super like dreamy. It just kind of matches the whole theme of this palette. So I thought it'd be perfect. And I wanted a nice gloss. For the lower lash line, what do I want to do? I don't want it to be too crazy, but I do want to smoke out just a little bit. I'm going to smoke out this side a little bit more because I feel like this side is a lot more smoked out. You know, sometimes it's just, I don't know. I just feel like you got to get the perfect symmetry going. I'm gonna take a lace right here and I'm gonna buff that out on my lower lash line. So that's like the first layer. Now I wanna go in with another layer. So that's kind of creating that dreamy base, like that transition base. Okay, so now I'm gonna take Tease right here and bring that down here. That's gonna deepen it up a little bit. We're gonna kind of connect the two. Whoa.
Look at what you taught me, yeah, for that I say thank you, next, thank you.
So this is the finished look that I came up with. I hope that you guys like it. It's kind of dramatic, pretty intense. I really like the way that it turned out. I think it's really pretty. It's pretty intense. I use like the darker purple, mauve, deeper shades in this tutorial. In this, I was just kind of more drawn to those at first. Now after using those shades, now I really want to do a look with like the more peachy, neutral. Overall, you guys, I love this palette. It is so beautiful. I'm sure you could tell. I'm like obsessed with it. And I can't wait to create some more shades. Like I definitely want to do a look that's more neutral and use like the Secret shade, Play, maybe Teddy. Teddy is really, really pretty. So I definitely want to do a look with that. So I love it. This is such a nice palette and it is a little pricey, but I mean, you get 18 shadows. It's beautiful. It is like a perfect nude lover's dream. All neutral colors pretty much for the most part. And it's kind of like leans towards the cooler, neutral to cooler like shade range. So I love this palette. Definitely 2 thumbs up. I give it an A+. Get this palette. Definitely, if there's a sale this weekend, I'm pretty sure there's another 20% off sale. I'm like not with the times right now, but you guys need this palette. It is so good. I love it so much. Huda Beauty, great work. Again, I'm like starting to collect these palettes at this point because I love her products. So you guys should definitely get it. I love it so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what kind of look you want to see. Let me know if you do want a neutral look with this palette because this one's a little bit more bold, like using the bold colors. So if you want something more nude, neutral, something a little bit easier, not as dramatic, let me know down below. Please give me a thumbs up if you guys like this video, if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe, sign up for alerts. I have some exciting more videos coming your way. I am gonna be posting a video using this Desi Katie palette, and also I'm gonna be doing like a fall clothing haul, just vlog style, something really easy and simple, because you guys seem to have been seemed to like those. So I'm gonna do another fall clothing haul because I have a few things, and I from that other haul that I did showing you guys like the monogram stuff, I'm gonna show you guys like where I got that and link to that stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye.